All right, in this video, we're moving on to creating our business website, and we're going to be covering how to search for a domain name, buying hosting, configuring your name servers, and that basically, once you configure your name servers, it'll allow your website to go live, and then installing a WordPress theme. So let's get started. Um, the process of making your own website is going to take some time, so just to let you guys be aware. So let's go over. I use Hostgator. There's other providers, but I've just been using them for a while now. They provide really good customer service, so I like to stick with these guys. So we're gonna search for a domain name. I already purchased mine, and it's going to come up as unavailable. But if it is available, you'll have a little green box here saying congratulations, your domain name is available. So I would buy this personal protection. It's an extra $15. If you, I mean, you don't have to buy it, but your information will be out there, so you will be getting a shitload of calls from people trying to advertise to you. So that is my personal suggestion. Once you have your domain name, we're going to go back to the homepage of Hostgator and go to web hosting. And then I go with this middle plan, the baby plan. It's an extra dollar compared to the cheaper plan, and then you can host unlimited domains. So if you decide to do a different type of website, a blog, or help a buddy out with his website, you have that option with this plan. You just buy now, enter your domain. You're going to be filling out your billing preference. I usually just go with the 12 months, and you can kind of see it's a bit more cheaper if you do it, if you purchase a longer package. Fill this out, and then I usually select these two because just to give it a little more extra security if you're going to be using credit cards on your website, and then I deselect this one. This is personal preference, but to me these two are pretty important. Hit checkout, and then you'll be getting a confirmation email, which looks like this. And we have to access our control panel by clicking the link. And then you just enter the username and password that they provided you. Okay, so from here, we have to add that domain to the back end. So we're going to scroll down, hit add on domains. Add domain. And then we're going to find it here on the right hand side column. These are all my other websites. If this is your first time doing this, you'll only have one. And from here, we're going to install WordPress. It'll be this middle one. So we'll just name it Broom and Mop Cleaning Service. And then just fill out the information. And install. This take a little bit of time. And basically, WordPress is an open source platform. again, which is free. It basically gives you a back end to your website in which you can control your website and upload photos, add content. All right, so the installation is complete. You're going to want to keep your username and password, so you can go ahead and store that somewhere. And let's copy the password. This can be changed, but for now we're going to be using this. And then this is it. You're all set. So again, if you hit view website in the back end, yeah, you'll get like a hello world. This is kind of just a placeholder. All right, so once you install WordPress, you're gonna go into your Hostgator account, and you're gonna go to domains, and this is where you're gonna change the name servers. They give you a default name server number. You're just gonna go to more. Here's the name servers, change, and then you're going to go into your email that they provided you once you bought the hosting plan, and you're going to copy the name servers from that email, and there's two, and you just copy and paste them right here, which I already did, and then that's it. Usually it starts to go live. I've never had a problem where it took more than a day. So we're just gonna install a basic theme. So you're just gonna go to Appearance, Themes, and then you're going to navigate down below and hit Add New Theme. And you can select any of these. They're usually very basic themes. I just put cleaning service in, and they did have this one that I did install. There wasn't really much to it. Usually these free themes are limited. You can always go to one of the premium theme or a paid theme, which has a bit more customized features. But I simply just installed this one. Basically, you would go to install, activate, and then you have a theme up. All right, in our next video, we're going to be going over some of the tools in this left-hand column. We're going to be customizing our free theme to look like a premium theme. Here's a premium theme. This one I want to say is $240. We're going to make a website page similar to this for free. And right now, I've already worked on it, so I'll show you what it looks like right now. I built this already, and we're going to be going over the process on using Elementor, which is a free plugin in WordPress to design and create web pages similar to this. All right, so what we covered today is that we searched and purchased a domain name, bought hosting, installed a free WordPress theme, and configured our name server so that our web page would go live. So if you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to get back to you, and I will see you on the next video.